Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Okay. I just took a picture of your book only. Okay. See, in your
Hello,
book,
ma'am.
yeah, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I was telling I took a picture of your book only to make the calculation easier. Okay. So units of, for your example, you have chapati. Okay. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
first chapati, second chapati, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Total utility is from first chapati you got 12. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the second chapati you got 18. 18 doesn't mean from the second you got. It's the first and second both. Means from first you got 12, from second you got 6. Okay? From third,
Yes.
it's summation of all. For this, it's
Mm-hmm.
summation of all. For this, it's summation of all. For this, it's summation of all. Getting my point? It's not about keep for from
Yes.
first chapati you have got 12 utility. No, total is means addition of both the chapati. For first chapati, I got 12 satisfaction, 12 units of satisfaction. From
Mm-hmm.
first and second, both chapati, I got 18 units of satisfaction. From first, second, and third, all three chapati, I got 22 units of satisfaction. Okay? This is the meaning of
Yes.
total utility. Okay? Now, I was telling you about marginal utility. So, marginal utility means total TUN minus TUN minus 1. If I want to calculate for the fourth one, okay? So, I am asking for,
Ma'am?
yeah,
Yeah, you said so. No, you're saying something.
uh, for I'm asking for if I'm asking for the fourth one, so I'm asking NU of fourth unit. So marginal
Mm-hmm.
utility from the fourth unit I got as the total utility of fourth. The total utility of fourth I have is 24, and total
Mm-hmm.
utility of the third one because I have n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3 here. TU
Okay.
4 minus 1. So TU 3. है ना? So it's TU
Mm-hmm.
4 minus TUN. The TU 4 I have as 22 minus 22. So I got total utility as marginal utility as 2. Marginal utility I got. This happens below. Marginal utility for the first one you just write 12.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Okay? And for the next successive one you just do subtraction. Like you'll subtract 12 from 18. है ना? You'll subtract 18 from 22.
Yes.
You'll subtract 22 from 24. You'll subtract 24. This was the level where you were full. You were like,
Mm-hmm.
I'm full now. I am not giving. But this was the stage where forcefully your mom gave you the a chapati to eat and you were not at all interested in eating. So your satisfaction level was -2.
Okay.
Okay? Anything else you want me to ask over here? Anything. Uh you should be understanding these two concepts. What is marginal and what is total.
Yeah, understood.
Because you might get numerical in your exam for that. Okay? And on the
Okay.
basis of that only many a times you will get a graph. Okay? Graph or diagram. We should proceed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hmm. Now I'm not gonna read this. Please. Hana? You read that. Will that be fine now? Because this is what it is written in the this para. Okay?
Okay.
I hope that would be fine. You want me to read that? No, no? Yes, no.
No, that's alright.
Hmm. Now I told you that you need to understand this concept because you will be making a graph. Yeah, curve.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Yeah. One more thing I forgot to tell you. So when we were on this table, है ना? So we saw that earlier I had a marginal utility of 12, then it came to 6, then it came to 4, then it came to 2, then it came to 0, then it -2. We got to know that the marginal utility is decreasing, है ना? from the successive consumption
Yeah.
of the units. So
Okay.
this decrease, the thing which is getting decreased, this is called law of diminishing marginal utility. That's
Okay.
that's it. If we say in the layman's language, it's like when the marginal utility decreases with each successive unit, that is law of diminishing marginal utility. Simple as it means ki the more I eat, the less satisfaction level I get. That is the law of diminishing marginal utility. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Got it. Now, in this, okay. Now, if you go through this diagram, okay, for the curve, total utility and marginal utility, you'll see that total utility curve is a sort of bell-shaped curve. You have a bell like this, na? That goes ton 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 and all. Okay? So it's
Yeah.
sort of this is the shape of total utility. I told you just now that you need to understand, so that you need to make a graph. So see, on the x-axis they have written the quantity of the commodity, on the y-axis they have given utility of that commodity, right? So it is going up, and so uh, see, see, it's going up, and for like
Mm-hmm.
2 units, I got a satisfaction like might be 18.
Yeah. One
Huh?
is going up, one is going
18,
down.
then it's 22. We have I think it's 12. Okay. And then I have a utility of 24. Then again I have a utility of 24. Then it starts decreasing. Okay. So this is the thing for total utility. Obviously you can make that. That's not difficult. The same way you can make for
Okay.
marginal utility as well. Do practice this at home.
Okay.
How to make this graph. Do not forget that. And
Uh,
just to keep an eye on you, try to do it. I might ask you for just show me that thing. Okay? Because that obviously, look, Gautam, that will benefit you, not me, because I know how to make these graphs. Agreed? Okay?
yeah.
Obviously that
Agree.
would be, yeah, that will be a better for you, not for me. Okay? So I can just suggest you to do, but doing and not doing will be your part. Obviously, because now you are not a kid now. Kid, we
Mm-hmm.
can obviously say go, but please do that. This is good for you. Okay?
Yeah.
And obviously, the way you have made TU, the way you can make MU as well. Okay? MU is obviously
Okay.
going down. Obviously, it's going down because we have learned it's a diminishing margin. Okay? Thing which you need to keep in mind is when the total utility is highest, you'll see that the marginal utility is lowest. And the moment marginal utility starts decreasing, means getting negative, the total utility starts decreasing. For that, the thing which I'm saying, see it here is the highest. This is of TU graph, this is of MU. The dotted one is of MU, this is of TU total utility. Okay? So this is the
Okay.
highest of total utility. And I told the moment it is highest, TU you will get at zero. MU
Mm-hmm.
will get at zero. So
When
M
both are the same.
no. TU highest, MU is at zero.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. And TU starts decreasing, MU becomes negative. Okay. This was the
Mm-hmm.
this was the thing which I'm telling you here. Here, what has happened? Okay, TU has started decreasing, है ना? So MU has become negative. It has left this x-axis. It has gone to the other part.
Understood.
Hmm.
Understood. Understood.
Okay. So this is a
Yeah.
relation. You need to remember. And the before this, the thing is key TU increasing, MU decreasing. That's it.
Okay.
This, huh. So if I give you a normal thing, obviously you are too small to know that. So this is the first stage, this is the second stage, this is the third stage. We have more into these three stages, but I'll teach you that further. Okay? When it will be there in your syllabus. Till now, you just need to understand this relation between TU and MU, that when total utility increases, marginal utility decreases. Okay? Second stage is when marginal utility becomes no, when total utility becomes highest, is at its highest point, the marginal utility will be at zero. Okay? Obviously, that will be touching the x-axis. And when total utility is down, it means down means it's decreasing. When it starts decreasing, mu becomes negative. This is the thing which you need to keep in mind. That's okay? Because I don't know whether you'll get this in your exam or not, but many a time it happens that you need to tell the relation between TU and mu. And for except this, you have obviously a relation in terms of
Mm-hmm.
formula. In terms of formula, which says mu is total utility n minus total utility of n minus. Okay? This is the formula, and this is the diagram. Oops. This is the diagrammatic explanation. Okay, got it? The thing which I gave you, no? There are three
Yes.
and three stages. Okay, you can get these PDF from this group now. है ना? You can just
Yes. Ask sir.
you can cross check that.
Yes.
Okay, so obviously we'll start with derivation of demand curve tomorrow. Like obviously they are like whenever we have class next class. I'll just read this for you. Law of diminishing marginal utility. Okay, try to keep this in your hand. The definition. I'm not able to snip that. This definition. Okay, the definition.
Mm-hmm.
I have not snipped the whole. You just do it. Okay. So this follows from the law of diminishing margin utility. Obviously, the this follows means the margin utility is decreasing from 12 to 6, 6 to 4, and so on, so on. That is this follows. Okay. Now saying law of diminishing marginal utility states that marginal utility from consuming each additional unit of a commodity declines as its consumption increases. That is what I have told you, that when you keep on consuming more, your utility keeps on decreasing. Okay? While keeping consumption of other commodities constant. Means if you are consuming two goods, then at one time you can give the utility of only one good. Don't give for both the goods. Okay? It is keeping all other goods constant. You if you are consuming 100 goods, then the conclusion is done based on just one good, not on all the 100 goods. You have to keep the all the 99 goods away. Okay? This is the important line which you need to take care of. It's not always about the you will be taking the goods, all the goods altogether. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
mu becomes zero at a level when tu remains constant. Constant means the highest point. Okay? In the example, tu does not change at fifth unit of consumption, and therefore mu of fifth consumption is zero. Thereafter, tu starts falling and mu becomes negative. They have not explained the three stages. Uh, no, I don't think so. Just go through this now after the class. Let me know whether they have explained it or not. But the stage which I told you, that is correct. Okay? Tu increases, mu
Mm-hmm.
decreases, tu highest, mu zero. TU decreases, starts decreasing, MU becomes negative. Okay? They have just gone with the third one. They have obviously said with the 0 1 and the constant one, but fine. Okay? So that is the thing. So it is saying that when MU will be 0 when the TU remains constant or it's the highest point, and obviously in this example at fifth unit mu was 0 at fifth unit, so obviously tu was constant, like 24 it was. Thereafter tu starts falling and mu becomes 20. After that it starts increasing and mu becomes negative. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here it's written the value of marginal and total utility derived from the consumption of various amounts of a commodity. The marginal utility diminishes with increase in consumption of commodity. Everywhere it's written on this one. You just uh, understand the concept and write in terms of economics. That's it. Do not need
Okay.
not do much of this. Okay. Tell me what you didn't get in this, because I will not be taking up the new topic now. It's like I cannot teach you much in this 1 or 2 minutes. Okay.
I mostly understood everything, so yeah.
It was good.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Obviously, first thing is after a break of half an hour, 1 hour, but today itself, just go through the things which I have taught you today. Sit with a pen and paper. From the next class, also try to sit with a pen and paper. Obviously, whatever I'm writing you, I'll send that thing to you. But there might be few things which I just speak and I don't write. So you can just write it there, then and there. Getting my point? Because economics,
Yeah.
you need to sit with a pen and paper. It's sort of maths, now. You need to sit with a pen and paper. Okay? And
Okay.
revise the diagram. This diagram. Uh, Try to figure out the how to calculate mu. Okay? You need to know with the formula. Do learn the formula. Okay? Get the TU of each section, each commodity, each unit, MU of
Okay.
each unit. Okay? Just to make yourself understand, not for me, not because I am giving a homework. Please don't do for me. Okay, I think that will be all. Anything
Yeah.
remaining? No, no, all good.
No, ma'am. Yeah.
Do send me the paper.
All right. I
Mm,
will.
I'll wait for your message. Fine, fine.
All right.
See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. We'll meet next class. Okay. Bye bye.
All
Take
right.
care. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, Gautam.
Bye, sir.